Number 3. Nikon Coolpix P1000. With a stunning 3000mm optical zoom, this camera will bring you closer to your subject than ever before. The 4K Ultra HD video capabilities, along with HDMI out and stereo sound, ensure that your videos will be top quality. The rock-steady dual detect image stabilization means you can capture crisp, clear images even in low light conditions. The RAW, time-lapse, and super-lapse shooting modes provide endless creative possibilities. Plus, the full manual controls give you complete flexibility over your shots. One of the standout features of the Nikon Coolpix P1000 is the electronic viewfinder and 3.2-inch vari-angle TFT LCD monitor. These make framing your shots a breeze, no matter the conditions. The ISO sensitivity range and shutter speed options give you even more control over your photography. While some may find the size of the camera a bit bulky, it's a small price to pay for the incredible zoom capabilities and advanced features it offers. Overall, the Nikon Coolpix P1000 is a powerhouse of a camera that will take your photography to the next level. But don't let the drawbacks deter you. The Nikon Coolpix P1000 is the best super zoom bridge camera on the market right now. If range is your top priority, then this is the camera for you. Check it out for yourself and see the amazing zoom capabilities in action.